Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGYP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line and orange line here specifically are coming from. And both those definitely still do play a role in the chart, especially the 10-cent mark, which will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But if you have, you know that I've been talking about this one quite a bit as that important area of support. And so far, so good. The price continues to hold up above it, including today, which you can see during the final portion of the day. Price got down right around that area and did indeed hold. So you got to give credit where credit's due. And again, 10 cents is that level that you would want to see hold as support, and it has definitely held so far. Now, that also brings about the fact that, yeah, it's held, but the price is now actually flirting with potentially breaking down below it. And if the price were to break down below it, that essentially ruins, the progress that the chart has made, when it got the nice bounce, back around here. Because if you stop and think about it, if the price were to break down below 10 cents and continue to separate to the downside, at that point, it would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where the price already was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are not going to go back to where the price was, right? The price is going to make some sort of form of progress forward. And that's where 10 cents comes into play, because that is still an opportunity at progress. So if the price continues to hold and it goes sideways and then eventually starts to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, then there you go. You still have that progress making, the upwards direction, and that's what you want to see, because that's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. As far as resistance levels are concerned, nothing has really changed from that point of view. The orange line up there is still that overarching level of resistance. But before you even talk about doing battle with that one and trying to break through it, that near-term level that needs to be broken up above is going to be the purple line there. The 50 period, a simple moving average. So all in all, the chart's hanging in there, but things are getting a little shaky, but we'll see if 10 cents can continue to hold or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.